Friends, there are plenty of great business opportunities in villages and small towns which we cannot even find in cities but often fail to identify them. Today, due to internet access, digital literacy, better road connectivity, and government schemes, the image of villages is changing rapidly. People now want to start new businesses and improve their lifestyle while living in villages. So, by adding value to your simple everyday agricultural products and converting them into branded products, you can create a sustainable business that will generate consistent income throughout the year. In this situation, do you dream of turning a small farm from your village or even your backyard into a profitable business without a huge investment? Don't worry. The 10 brilliant value-added business ideas mentioned in this video with high market demand are perfect for you. These businesses can be started with low investment and their demand is constantly increasing. You can earn good money from them in the long run. So watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come on, let's get started. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Organic pickle and sauce making. A small batch of homemade pickles or sauces made from fresh vegetables available on the farm can be sold in the market for a good price. So you can easily start pickle or sauce production from your kitchen using seasonal vegetables like mango, lemon or chili available in your village. Also, with clean packaging, consistent taste and proper labeling, you can become a national or online bestseller. Already today, many rural brands like Homemade Pickles started with small batches and are now being sold online across the country. Number 2. Millet and organic flour processing. Friends, grains like ragi, sorghum, bajra are now superfoods among most health-conscious people. Hence, they are rapidly gaining demand in urban markets. So you can convert low-cost crops into high-value packaged goods by buying these grains, cleaning them, grinding them, adding value to them, and packaging them in an attractive manner. And to start this business, all you need is a small flour mill, hygienic packaging materials, and a brand name that embodies natural and rural freshness. Number 3. Cold-pressed oil production. Health-conscious consumers worldwide are moving away from refined oils and prefer cold-pressed and chemical-free alternatives. So starting a cold-pressed oil production unit with a small oil press machine, filtration systems and mustard, sesame or groundnut seeds can yield good profit margins. Moreover, since people need oil all year round, this idea ensures continuous cash flow and strong customer loyalty. Number 4. Dried vegetables and fruits. Dried tomatoes, onions and bananas have a long shelf life, which is why they are in high demand in hotels, bakeries and export markets. So you can buy these products from farmers in your village and use solar or electric dryers to make dried fruits or vegetables and vegetable powders. Then you can export your products globally in simple airtight packaging, which is a novel and hugely successful idea. Number 5. Jaggery products production. Jaggery is gaining popularity again as a natural alternative to sugar, not just among India's health-conscious consumers, but also among everyone today. So you can buy the ingredients from sugarcane or palm tree farmers in your village and set up a small jaggery processing unit to produce jaggery in blocks, powders, and flavored jaggery. Also, the initial investment for this business is relatively low, and you can easily sell online through health food platforms or partner with local grocery stores and organic shops. Number 6. Herbal tea production. Plants like tulsi, lemongrass, mint are easy to grow in villages, and by drying, blending and packaging them in an attractive manner, you can easily start your own high-value herbal tea business. Moreover, as urban consumers today increasingly opt for natural teas over traditional beverages, this will give you better profit margins. So you can start your business as a small brand and then sell directly online and through local fairs. Number 7. Honey and bee product processing. Next, beekeeping is one of the most sustainable and environmentally friendly businesses that can thrive in villages. Moreover, in many countries today, this pure honey is sold at a high price, especially when it is marketed as unprocessed or wild honey. So you can start this beekeeping business in your village and produce value-added beeswax and propolis from it for additional income and sell it locally and abroad. However, proper training for success will improve local crop pollination and generate a sustainable income. Number 8. Dairy value addition production. Today, flavored or organic ghee, locally branded paneer, and traditional sweets are increasingly available in urban retail outlets. In this scenario, if your village has a large number of dairy farms, you can earn good profits by buying raw milk from producers at low prices and value adding it into paneer, butter, ghee, or flavored milk. Moreover, you can process it on a small scale using simple equipment and attractive packaging, and then scale up as demand increases. Number 9. Handmade snacks production. Next, you can start a snack or namkeen business using basic ingredients like pulses, spices, and grains grown in your villages, and then value add them and make them your own local brand. Also, you can easily reach your snacks to supermarkets or online customers with consistent taste and attractive labeling. This idea will not only support employment, especially for local women, but will also become a sustainable source of income for everyone. Number 10. Fruit juice bottling unit. You can value add the ripe or surplus fruits available in your villages and convert them into bottled juice, fruit wine, or fermented beverages. Moreover, there is a growing demand for these products in the domestic and international markets, especially when they are marketed as natural or organic. So you can easily start a small-scale setup with an FSSAI license and hygienic bottles from a village-level facility. So friends, now is the time to take the first step towards starting a value-added business from your village. Choose an idea that matches your resources from these 10 great ideas and start exploring how to implement it. The main thing to remember is that you don't need to start big. Even a small venture can grow into a brand over time. Also friends, if you find these ideas inspiring, share your favorite one in the comments and subscribe for more practical business insights.